Good morning, students. Today we will talk about third property, which we have associative property. In this first one we will talk about addition. In this we will talk about addition. Okay. The condition for associative property in addition is a plus bracket b plus c bracket close is always equals to bracket a plus b bracket close plus c. Okay, this is the must condition for addition in associative property. For example, let's suppose I have let a equals to 1, b equals to 2 and c equals to 3. Okay, putting the value in this LHS of ABC, 1 plus bracket 2 plus 3 is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 we have 5 and 1 plus 5 we have 6. Okay, now putting the value of ABC in RHS, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that we have 3 plus 3, 1 plus 2 we have 3, 3 plus 3, that we have 6. So it can easily be understood that LHS will be always equals to RHS, and we can say कि addition will always satisfy in this associative property. Okay, now second we have subtraction. Second we have subtraction. Okay, in this we have, let the condition is a plus a minus b minus c will never be equals to bracket a minus b minus c. Understood? For example, let ABC be 1 2 3. Okay, now putting the value of ABC in LHS, we have 1 minus 2 minus 3 and 1 minus 2 minus 3 we have minus 1. Okay, we will take this in bracket. Okay, minus into minus we have plus, so 1 plus 1 we have 2. Understood? Now in RHS, putting the value of ABC, 1 minus 2 minus 3, so 1 minus 2 we have minus 1 and minus 3, so that we have minus 4. It can be easily understood that 2 will never be equals to minus 4, so this property will not satisfy in the subtraction. Okay, now third we have multiplication. The condition is a into bracket b into c will always be equals to bracket a into b bracket close into c. Okay, example, take ABC 1 2 3. Putting the value of ABC in LHS, we have 1 into 2 bracket 2 into 3, so 1 into 2 3 we have 6 and 1 into 6 we have 6. Okay, now putting the value of ABC in RHS, so that we have 1 into 2 bracket close into 3. Okay, so 1 into 2 we have 2, 2 into 3 we have 6. So it can be easily understood that in the multiplication will always satisfy in associative property. Okay, now fourth we have division. Fourth we have division. The condition for division is a divide bracket b divided by c, a divide b divided by c will never be equals to a divided by b bracket close divided by c. Okay, for example, I will take, let ABC be 1 2 3. Example, putting the value of ABC in LHS, 1 divided by 2 divided by 3. Okay, I can write 1 upon 2 divided by 3. Okay, or I can write 1 upon 2 by 3. The next condition will be this 2 by 3 will go in numerator, it will be 3 by 2. Okay, it will be 3 by 2. Now putting the value of ABC in RHS, we have 1 divided by 2 bracket close divided by 3, so that we have 1 divided by 2 upon 3, 1 divided by 2 upon 3, it will be 1 upon 2 upon 3. On solving we get 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3, so that is 1 by 6. So we can easily say that 3 by 2 will never be equals to 1 by 6. So this property will not satisfy in division. Okay. Fourth, we have distributive property. Distributive property. Okay. In this first we will talk about addition. The condition is AB plus AC is always equals to A bracket B plus C. Okay. Let example, let A equals to 1, B equals to 2 and C equals to 3. Okay. Putting the value of ABC in LHS, what I get? 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3. So 1 into 2 we have 2, 1 into 3 we have 3. So 2 plus 3 we get 5. Okay. Now putting the value of ABC in RHS, 1, 2 plus 3. So 1 into 2 plus 3 we have 5, 1 into 5 we have 5. So it can easily be understood that LHS equals to RHS. So this property will satisfy in addition. Now second we have subtraction. Second we have subtraction. Okay, this will be AB minus AC. It will be A B minus C. Let example, let ABC be 1, 2, 3. Okay, putting the value of ABC in LHS, we get 1 into 2 minus 1 into 3. It will be 1 into 2, 1 into 3 we have 3, so it will be minus 3, so that we get minus 1. Okay. Now putting the value of ABC in RHS, we get 1 bracket 2 divided by 3. Oh sorry, subtract by 3. I get 1 into minus 1. What I get? Minus 1. So it can easily understood that subtraction will also satisfy in distributive property. Okay.